Welcome back, friends. In this lecture, we will discuss about relational model. The relational model was first introduced by Ted Code of IBM Research in 1970s. Relational model had been attracted by immediate attention due to its simplicity and mathematical foundation. The model uses the concept of a mathematical relation as its basic building block and has its theoretical basis in set theory and first order predicate. The relational model represents the database as a collection of relations. The tables are represented as relations. Column header are called as attributes. A row is called as tuple. The data type describing the types of values that can appear in each column is represented by a domain. The domain is a set of atomic values. So you see here in this table, so this is the student table. The name of the relation is student. The table can also be represented as a relation. So the degree of the relation means number of attributes in the relation. So how many attributes are present in this relation? Name is one attribute. SSN is another one attribute. Home underscore phone is one attribute. Address is one attribute. Office underscore phone is another attribute. Age is an attribute. GPA is an attribute. So totally 7 attributes are here. So the degree of relation is 7. The domain specifies the values of the columns. The values of the columns are represented as tuples. So now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of relations. So ordering of tuples in the relation is the major characteristics of the relations. So how to order a tuple in the relation? So ordering of values within a tuple and an alternate definition of a relation is given by the below notation as. So you see here in this table, how many attributes are there? 7 attributes are there. So now how they are going to order the values within a tuple. So T equal to name of the attribute. So I will be taking for a first row, how to order the first row. You can see here name, comma, Dick Davidson, then SSN, comma, then that serial number will be mentioned as 422-11-2320, and the home phone will be mentioned as null because the value is not given by the user. Address will be specified and office underscore phone will be specified and age is specified and GPA is specified and it is closed with the bracket. So this is how we can specify the order of values within a tuple. Okay. Then if you want to change the order and if you want to make the address as the first thing, you can mention like T equal to address will be mentioned first, then name, then serial number, then age and office phone, then GPA, then home phone. The values and the nulls are present in the tuples. So the interpretation provides the meaning for the relationship. Okay. Then these are some of the relational model notation. So the relation schema R of degree n is denoted by R of A1, A2 up to AN. The uppercase letters Q, R, S denote the relation names. The lowercase letters Q, R, S denote the relation states. The letters T, U, V, lowercase letters denote tuples. An attribute A can be qualified with the relation name R to which it belongs by using the dot notation R dot A. For example, student dot name or student dot age. An n tuple T in a relation R of R is denoted by T equal to inside the bracket we will be mentioning V1, V2 up to Vn, where Vi is the value corresponding to the attribute A. So both T of A and T dot A refer to the value Vi in T for attribute A. So both T of AU, comma AW up to AZ and T of AU, AW up to AZ, where AU, AW, AZ is a list of attributes from R, refer to the subtuple of values VU, VW up to VZ from T corresponding to the attribute specified in the list. For example, T equal to Barbara Benson. He is the next person in this relationship. Barbara Benson. So only the attribute values are mentioned here because T represents the tuples. Tuples means values. The first thing is name. The second thing is SSN number. Then third thing is home phone. Then fourth thing is address. Then fifth one is office phone, which is represented as null here. And sixth is age, and the seventh is GPA. So if you want to mention the tuple along with the attributes means you can mention like this: T of name equal to Barbara Benson, and T of SSN, GPA, age equal to, it can be mentioned with this SSN, GPA and age. So like this we can mention. So the references are from Fundamentals of Database System, Pearson Education, and Syllabus Cards, Database System Concept, 7th edition, McGraw-Hill International. I hope you have understood the concept of relational model notations as well as the characteristics of relations. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture.